Meat. We have a huge seller just entered for Beyond Meat lately, guys. We have to discuss the level where the seller entered last Tuesday, 10th of February, where everything changed, but still it's not over yet. We're gonna discuss where the price will go from here because we pulling back. Yesterday we pulled back a lot because the whole market is pulling back. However, we're gonna discuss where the price will go for Beyond Meat because it's been a while, it's consolidating down. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So first of all, let me just share with you guys the level that the short seller enter at. If you remember, last time we discussed this level was here, was our support around the 80 cent. Guess what? We hit the 81 and we pulled back right around the level that we tested before, which was support. Right now it is turning to resistance. And how we know that we have a huge seller, this easy and straightforward answer is from the chart. We pulled back once we tested this level, 14%. And this test was at the market open, more significant because usually market maker short sellers enter right at the market open. And the price pulled back. Some of you will say, yeah, we got a lot of Beyond Meat got sued, and right now a lot of people talking about this is will affect the price. Yeah, this is might affect the price, but just the technical with this news make the short sellers short Beyond Meat easily to make 14% on their position. However, for now, we're still holding the current support that we reversed from back in 5th February. So we kind of have a 5 days here reversal. We did almost 30%. Now we're still holding the 64. So as long as we hold here, we're gonna accumulate and retest this area of rejection around the 82 precisely in order to squeeze toward the $1, which is the psychological level for this month. Because if we broke the $1, this is might make the short seller cover again toward almost the 130, then the 150 and the $2. So this is what we should expect for price of Beyond Meat, and of course the fundamental affect the technical as well. However, we have to watch for other stocks that did really great today is CHOW. As you know, guys, we don't trade just Beyond Meat. Today we traded other stocks like SGN and the other one. It was on pre-market watch list, of course. It was CHOW. As you see here, the price was around the 66 in the pre-market because usually the best entry in the pre-market where we discuss it every day on our Discord. We did the short and we suggest for exiting around the 83, then the 98. And if you see right now, the prices go over this level and went toward the 134. So we have to do another update, of course, on our Discord condition. The link comes section below, guys, where the updates will be posted on our Discord. In the meantime, watch out, guys, for Beyond Meat, of course, for a reversal because right now we are consolidating kind of sideways. So there's a chance for a reversal in coming days.